Kia ora, what's up, what's going on? Welcome to my channel. So your Xbox has come up with the error 105 after an update. This is usually caused by a hard drive error, especially if you've gone through the motions of trying to do a factory reset on the console and also a firmware update offline using a USB stick or USB device. If you're unable to get this to work properly, you're going to have to take apart your Xbox and remove the SATA drive and insert it into your computer and reformat it there, or replace the hard drive entirely. So this will show you how to do that. Let's get started. So here you're going to need